What is your advice to overthinkers? A quote that has helped me immeasurably. And it's from a book called The Horse, the Boy, the Fox and the Mole. He's a boy and a horse are in the woods. And a boy says to the horse, I can't see a way through, and the horse says, can you see your next step? And the boy says, yeah. And a horse says, then just take that. And it hit me. All of the time we look at the goal. We look at the future, we look at the end game, we look at how long a journey is. And we feel overwhelmed instead of that. Just go right. I'm not going to worry about that, because that will come with each step. You will get closer to that, so don't need to worry about how far away it is or what I need to focus on right now. All I need to focus on right now is my next step. There's two ways to see the world. Some people see the thing that they want, and some people see the thing that prevents them from getting the thing that they want. Now fear is going to be a player in your life, but you get to decide how much you can spend your whole life imagining ghosts, worrying about the pathway to the future, but all there will ever be is what's happening here, and you can't quite see your way to sunrise, and it's the middle of night, and you're just cold and miserable, and you have your dark night of the soul, and you're just, and you want to quit. Mental luck cannot change. Why were you scared in your bed the night before? There's actually no reason to be scared. It only just ruins your day. Your thinking must stop having affairs and must remain royal to your dream. For it to become a reality, you got to have the ability to rise up and push yourself, to believe in yourself and make that dream a reality. Evolve your belief system. Change is not pain. See, change has grown. Don't quit in darkness. Scars as soon as the sun peeks over the horizon. Your spirit sparks, it lights up. Don't let anything stand in the way of the light that shines through this form. Risk being seen in all of your glory. Every action you take is because of your beliefs and values. Your values shape your decisions, and your decisions shape your life. When you set out for a goal, expect it to happen. Expect to be successful. Expect it to be positive. If you can expect it, if you can wake up feeling like a winner, if you can wake up talking like a winner, if you can expect that everything you do will come out winning, the law of attraction will bend and shake reality until the outside world looks like what we are seeing in our mind. Wake up from your dream and make your dream a reality. Wake up. Very little is needed to make a happy life. It is all within yourself, in your way of thinking. Live your life like you're the hero in your movie right now. You are in the part of the movie that starts, and it shows you as a loser, and just decide not to be a loser. But so often happens in life is that things get burned and things go the wrong way, and it's in that moment that you're gonna have to choose your reaction. Trust beyond know where I'm at, and I've said it before. A person's character is not judged when they ride the wave of success, when everyone chants their name and you want to be their friend. No, your character is put to the test when your Back is against the wall. There's nothing to get hold of. Because you don't need to get hold of anything. Suffering builds character. Therefore suffering is good for you. I'm telling you. You will be in a vicious cycle forever. You have to get up. The odds are not against you, you are. Against you your negative mindset is. Against you your self-doubt is against you. Your insecurities are against you. Your fear is against you. So to actually have true freedom we have to be more responsible for certain things for ourselves, who we are constantly investigating, interrogating our better selves. Dare to be so crazy that you actually think for yourself and form your own opinion, no matter what those around you believe. That is called integrity. I'm telling you, man, you gotta tap into your dream. You gotta tap into what you believe in, speaking to existence anything that you desire to speak into existence. And I know that you can do it, man. Do you believe in yourself? That's all that actually matters. If you get knocked down, there's nothing you can do about it but getting back up has every single thing to do with you. And you will promise me that from this day forward you will not be defeated. Sometimes action will be needed to better a negative situation, but we need not carry negative energy about the situation. The clearer our minds in challenging situations, the better our response next time you are faced with a challenge. See if you can gain more control of your feelings in order to handle the situation in the best possible way. So I want you to understand is you're enough because you're creating enough. You're enough because you were created that way. Okay, stop allowing your failure. Stop allowing your setbacks. Stop allowing all these things to control how you feel about you. That if you don't have the courage to act, sometimes, and particularly if you have something special to do, life will move on you. Either you're going to control your time, or your time's going to control you. You've got to resolve within yourself that I can do this, that it's hard, but you've got to say, I'm the one. I'm the one to make this happen. When you step into your fears and continue to push yourself to go on, something happens for you. You're gonna go out and you're gonna do. You're going to win some days. You've got to understand the purpose of the Mac. The purpose of the method is to teach you how to believe in yourself. I was bound and determined to show them. Tell me I can't do it. I will prove you wrong. I will show you. You've chosen the wrong one. Tear, they can't use it because I believe. I'm talking about real commitment. Commit stuff, not that if I get what I want stuff, not that little boy stuff. I'm talking concrete commitment, the commitment that says, can I stay true to what I said I would do long after the mood that I've said it has left. Outcomes are produced for mindsets, so decide who you want to be and then adopt the thinking patterns and the belief systems that will produce all pain, all the sacrifice, all the heartache, all the criticism is always going to be there. But you've got to go for it. You're too strong now. Everything that has happened to you up until this point has made you who you are, and it will continue to mold you into who you will be.